Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, in the year of the farewell pilgrimage, we set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We put on a special garb for Umrah. Later, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has a sacrificial animal should put on a special garb for Hajj and Umrah combined, and then must not take off the special garb until he performs both Hajj and Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, I then reached Makkah Mukarramah while I was in period. So I neither performed the circumambulation of the Kaaba nor marched between Safa and Marwa. I then complained it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, untie the hair of your head, comb it, put on pilgrim garb, and forsake Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, I did the same. When we had performed the Hajj, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent me to Tan'im along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr Siddiq. I then performed the Umrah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, it is the atonement for your Umrah. Those who had worn the ihram for Umrah, they took off the ihram after performing circumambulation of Allah's house and marching between Safa and Marwa. Later, after returning from Mina, they performed another circumambulation for their Hajj. And those who put on ihram for both Hajj and Umrah, they performed one circumambulation. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2902.